Bethania Primary School holds a legacy reaching back over a century. It was founded by the Roman Catholic Diocese of Manicaland. I think it's called Mutasa. In 1912, Bethania Secondary School was later established in 2011. Bethania has been a beacon of education, instilling in students the virtues of faith, discipline, and academic excellence. As we officially hand over these computers, we are reminded of the many milestones achieved along this journey, and we stand inspired by the horizon of future possibilities. More than merely a ribbon cutting ceremony, this is the handover of computers. This handover of computers is no longer a luxury but a cornerstone of modern education. In this digital age, where information and knowledge form the bedrock of every industry and endeavor, access to computers serves as the gateway to countless opportunities. The provision of these computers will transform the learning environment at Bethania. The ripple effect of these computers will be felt throughout the local community in Rusani and the wider Mutasa district. ICT is a cornerstone of prosperous communities. This marks a critical turning point in the school's history of offering top-notch learning environments and encouraging innovation. The computer donation comes courtesy of NetOne, a company owned by the government of Zimbabwe, ably led by Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, and is committed to the provision of mobile and data network services across the country. I am thrilled to acknowledge that NetOne is walking the talk of leaving no one and no place behind through provision of computers at Bethania. I also want to commend NetOne for continuing to provide in the process. I would like to spread their wings even into other areas where there is poor network coverage. These computers will equip our students with the foundational knowledge and practical skills needed to excel in the rapidly evolving field of ICT. May I take this opportunity to appreciate His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Mnangagwa, for creating an enabling environment that fosters good relations between state enterprises such as NetOne and the local communities in the spirit of corporate social responsibility. I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the NetOne board and management for the invaluable support that has been received here today. I also commend the Roman Catholic Church, local leadership, teachers and parents for their dedication and passion. Your mentorship will inspire our students to explore the wonders brought up by these computers. In the same vein, let me take this opportunity to remind the school authorities that you are not alone. The government and the local leadership will continue to support the schools in various ways possible. To our students, I urge you to take full advantage of these computers, explore the ICT well.
1. Access educational resources beyond their traditional textbooks. 2. Develop essential digital skills required in the modern workplace. 3. Connect with global learning opportunities. 4. Prepare for demands of the fourth industrial revolution. As outlined in the NDS-1 digital digital transformation is key to Zimbabwe's economic growth and development. NetOne is proud to be at the forefront of this transformation, working hand in hand with the government to ensure that no one is left behind in our digital journey. Honorable Minister Mugadza, you can testify to this gathering. Just a few weeks ago, you were part of a delegation that joined the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. Mnangagwa, in launching NetOne 5G services. It is in the same vein that we are here today to advance His Excellency's vision of a connected Zimbabwe. Honorable Minister Mugadza, your presence here today underscores the government's commitment to technological advancement in education. We are grateful for your leadership and support in making initiatives like this to become possible. To school administrators, teachers, we understand that this provision of computers comes with the responsibility of maintaining effectively and utilizing these resources. NetOne commits to providing initial technical support and basic training to ensure these computers serve their intended purposes effectively if there is need. As NetOne, we remain committed to our vision of a digitally connected Zimbabwe. This donation is just one step in our broader strategy to support education and digital literacy across the country. We believe that by investing in education and technology today, we are building a stronger, more prosperous Zimbabwe for tomorrow. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to everyone who has made this day possible. Our technical team, the Ministry of ICT, Postal and Courier Services, the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education,